Hello children, today I am planning to complete this cube roots topic, which are important concepts, those only I will teach to you. Okay, reminding, please explore them because we need to complete more syllabus and every chapter is there for the 30% reduction they gave, but in that we need to select few parts to be deducted. So what I am going to do is subtraction method and all those things for cube roots is not required for you. So prime factorization is important and estimation I will give you suggestion. Just I'll give guidelines to you and we'll go for the solving sums. Okay? Right. Now coming to your exercise, one sum is left over in this one, ninth sum in 12A. How many pencil boxes of dimensions given can be packed in a carton, each of whose edge is 30 centimeters? Means they give here some measures of cuboid. Given as 15 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 2 centimeters, and edge of a cube is given. centimeters. How many pencil boxes of dimensions can be packed in a carton of whose edge is 30 centimeters? Means in a cube they kept pencil boxes, right? So volume of cube by volume of pencil box. This is not cube, actually carton. Will give you number of boxes. Children, is it clear? Right. The 30 into 30 divided by 15 into 5 into 2. 15 2 times. 2 gets cancelled. 5 6 times. 6 into 3 180. So 180 boxes can be fixed in this carton. That is the concept of ninth sum. Please children, make it fast. And 10th sum is not required to us because it is only observation. Please try yourself. Okay, ma'am? Right. I am going to do 12B exercise. Directly I am going in that. The properties also there itself I will explain to you how to solve it. Because it is not much priority for this exercise, I am not going to give priority to cube roots. Okay? Square roots means it's very important to us. So you should go for every sum from square roots. That's why I completed every exercise. For cube roots is you have to know only little bit, that is enough to you. Okay? Later you will get by practice. That is enough. Okay? Right. Now you listen to my words and then copy the sum. Don't leave like that. Okay, after listening to me, you don't do that work at all. It takes time. Find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization. As usual, for square root sum we are doing the same concept. So now exercise 12B, the first question. In this also few questions I will teach to you. 1331, it is second bit. This is already given to you and many times 1331 given. By this time you should learn what is 1331. This is nothing but 11 cube. We are not by hearting. Repeatedly the number came, so we need to remember that. That's it. So 121 times, again 11 times. So it is equal to 11 cube. So next one, I am going to solve fifth sum 91125. So this is also related to 5 table. Okay. 91125. 5 table. 5 ones 41. 8 times 11. 2 times 12. 2 times 5 times. Again 5 table. 5 3 times 32. 6 times 22. 4 times 25. 5 times. Again 5 table. 5 sevens 14. 2 times 45 9 times. Now 3 table. 3 2 times, 4 times, 3 times. again 3, 81 times, again 3, 27 times, again 3, 9 times, again 3, 3 times. Right. Is equal to 5 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. I wrote like this. It's fine because cubic numbers. Square root, cube root of 91125 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3. 9 into 5, 45. Children, both you have to show. Clear? Right. So, I think you may know the concept. You go for this one. Second Roman I will go, and mostly I will try to complete second Roman. Okay? Right. Estimation I will complete for you. Right now, I am going to do second Roman. Please see second Roman. All three sums I will complete because estimation method, just at least rough idea you should get, that's it. For that reason I am going to teach to you. The first sum is 8,000. Carefully see. Now, units place first you observe. 0. In your textbook, they gave one table to you in page number 158. Table C. For what units digit, what you will get in cube root was given here. I already gave idea for you in the previous exercise. If 0 is there, its cube root also contains 0. I am writing 0. Okay. Now, what is the process means here? Strike off this 0. This 0. This 0 means cube root means 3 digits. So I am taking off these 3 digits. Here. Next, after taking off these 3 digits, what is the next number? 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. This is the answer, that's it. Okay? I will go for the next number C. 389017. 389017. When 7 is there in units place, in cube root it will come 3. Because 3 and 7 I said. 7, 3. 3, 7. Vice versa. So 3 I wrote. I am going to leave these 3 numbers. What is there? 9. 9. Okay? 389 is there. 389 is nothing but, just see, 19 square, 19 cube, not 19 cube, sorry, no? 8 cube is 5, 12, 7 cube is less than 389 is less than 8 cube. Because 7 cube is 343 is less than 389. 8 cube is 512. It's lot of difference in these two. So what we have to consider? 7 cube. Okay. So write 7. Understand? What I did? First 3 digits I rubbed. I am not touching. Next to 3 digits. For these 3, which is the nearest and least or smallest cube, that we have to take. Understand? If you have doubt, do 73 into 73 into 73. I am going to do with these two. 9, 3 7s 21. 7 3s 21. 2 carry 49 plus 2 51. So add 9, 2, 3, 5 into 73. 3 9s 27. 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s 15. 7 9s 63. 6 carry. 7 2s 14 plus 6 20. 2 carry. 7 3s are 21. 22 23. 2 carry. 7 5s 35 plus 2 37. Add 7 11 1 carry 10 1 8 9 8 3 389017. What is the number? 389017. Did you understand? So this is your rough estimation. Okay? Right. Do the sum. The next one also I'll finish it easy only. We'll see. 46656. 6 is there in units place. Either 4 or 6. We don't know what you will get. Okay? 6 4, if you take 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. No chance. So 6 is the possibility. Okay? So take 6. Now these 3 digits we should leave, and these are. Which is the nearest cube to this one? 3 cube. 4 cube is 64. Okay? Right. 3 cube is less than 46 is less than 4 cube. So what we should consider? 3 cube. So 3. So 36 cube is 7. If you have doubt, check it. Okay, ma'am? So this is about your estimation concept. Make it fast for 3 sums. I'll go for the next one. Cube root of that. I am wrapping this because this is your verification only, no? If you have doubt, you can do. Speed up, children. Now, evaluate the following third Roman C. Until now, I did not teach to you negative numbers. Cube root of minus 2197. Now, in this case, it is 4-digit number only. We can go for prime factorization. Okay? Right. 2197. When 7 is there, try for 3 table. 3 7s. 3 2 times, 9 times. Again 3 table. Okay? Right, children? 12b. It's not a perfect cube, actually. This will be the last. Third Roman. First one. Three sevens, 3 threes, sorry. So it is not possible. So I did mistake here. Sorry, ma'am. Minus 2. 2 plus plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 7 19. 19 is not possible. So we should not take that one. 3 is required. So 13. So 13 ones. Here 7 plus 1 8, 89. 13 6 times 78. 89 78. 11. 117 means 9 times. Again 13 13s. So this number you write minus sign 3 times, so that minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. Why I wrote minus 3 times here? If you did not write also nothing wrong. You can write here 13 into 13 into 13, but negative sign is there for this, and cube root given here. But the representation, see here, what I did here, in the symbol I kept 3. I didn't write 3 here. If you write here 3, 3 into this fact whatever it is you are having, that will come. Please don't do that. Okay? So what you will get here, cube root means one time we should take out. This is equal to minus 13. Next, fourth one, 512 by 343. Again, cube root is given like this. Cube root of 512 is 8 into 8 into 8. All minus signs. Please mark. By 7 into 7 into 7. So minus 8 by 7. Okay? Right. Right. Now coming to cube root of minus 2 10 by 27. 27 to 54 plus 10 64 by 27 minus again cube root. Now write cube root of minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. 3 into 3 into 3. So minus 4 by 3. So fourth one, this is little lengthy. Cube root of minus 10648 by 12167. We'll try for estimation method. Yes. Any method we can use. Estimation I am doing. 8 is there, this one 2 will come. And I am going to rub this. And 10 less than that, 2 is there. Because 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 2. So 22 minus 22 into minus 22 into minus 22 by 7 is there. So 3 will come. 3 digits less than. Again 2 only. So 23 into 23 into 23. So is equal to minus 22 by 23. Check your answer. I didn't solve by using prime factorization method. When big numbers are given, you can use this estimation method also. I solved in that way, that's it. The remaining sums, please try by yourself. Okay, now? Fourth Roman, I am not telling to you, successive subtraction is given. Please try to avoid that concept. 4, 5, 6 method sums, please you can leave. I am going to solve 7 sum because what should be added, what should be subtracted, this concept already you read. So cubic part is not important for you, that's why I am leaving. Now coming to 7 sum. 7th and 8th let me finish so that the exercise will be completed. So I will finish with 7th and 8th. Right. I am not telling to go for estimation method or this subtraction method or anything. This repeated subtraction is little process for that. That's why I am not teaching to you to confuse you why I should teach now. Anyhow, it is not useful in further classes. So I am leaving. Okay. So any method, estimation method, you can solve this one, or you can use your prime factorization. Now coming to 7th one. The volume of a cubical box is is 29791 by 216 meter cube. Right. Find its side. Side of the box is equal to, please write this cube root of 29791 by 216. Shall I go for estimation method? 1 is there, 1. So I am leaving 29, so 3 times. By, this is 6. Okay, these many meters. That's it. That is the side of the cube. If not, go for your prime factorization method. Solve it. Okay, right. 10th sum same. Volume of a cubical box is given. Again, same concept. Is equal to 17.576 meter cube. I am writing here 17576 by 1000 meter cube. Now estimation again. Find the length of the side. Then length of the side is equal to, the estimation I am doing, 6, 17, less than 17 is 2. 26 by 10 is equal to 2.6 meters. Answer should be given in decimals only. 2.6 meters. Okay. If you take 3, what you will get here? Less than 17, 2 cube only there, not 3 cube. So 2 cube, nearest one, smallest one, that should be considered. Okay. Right, children? So thank you. With this cubes and cube roots topic also I completed for you. Now I will go for your syllabus. Now according to that I will follow it. And tomorrow onwards, that is Monday onwards, tomorrow only. So tomorrow onwards I may take 30 minutes time to complete the work for you. Because we have a lot of syllabus. Please concentrate here. Okay? Right. Thank you, children. Thank you very much. Stay safe at home. Right.